Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In today's video, I am going to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So today's video is going to be very awesome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so subscribe it now and like this video. So let's get our video started. My timer is already ready and now I have to scramble my cube. So let's scramble it. So guys, it is scrambled as you can see. So let's start solving it. Guys, it is solved. It took me 18.56 seconds. So it is nice, but I will try getting less than 10 seconds. So guys, the cube is scrambled again. So let's try solving it once more. Okay, it is solved and it took me 15.56 seconds. Okay, so guys, the cube is scrambled again, so let's wait. Oh guys, see, the cube is solved and it took me only 6.2 seconds. I can't believe it, because the scrambling was very easy and it helped me make the last layer very perfectly. I used the algorithm trick which solved it very early. So guys, this was very cool. So okay guys, I'll meet you in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like on my video. Bye bye.